Welcome. In front of me is an LG K52, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. Now to get started, let's open up Settings. From here you want to scroll down to Storage, right over here. Then tap on your SD card. It will take you to the storage itself, and here you will see three dots. So you want to tap on it and then select Storage Settings, where you will find the format option. So tap on it. It will pop up with the info that, well, this will remove basically everything from that SD card, and if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on Format. The process will begin. It only takes a couple of seconds. Once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used again, as it is right now. So click on Done and you're finished. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.